So if you're not a techie person and you're looking for skills that you can learn and make money, make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be giving you a list of simple skills that you can actually learn that will make you money very fast. Number one on my list is CV writing. See guys, if you know how to write CV, you see this time of remote work, freelancing, there are thousands of people out there that are actually looking for someone that can help them to write a very good CV. You get? So CV writing is a hot cake now. And if you go online and you check these people that are offering this service, you will see how much they charge. CV writing is that skill, that simple skill that you can learn and will start making money instantly, because it is high in demand currently. And there are platforms that offer this for free. Allison offers CV writing, Coursera offers CV writing, and others. So just go on Google and search for CV writing courses. Number two on my list is dating profile writing. See, this time around that finding love is very difficult. Forget about all the bad content on love and marriages, and behind the scene people are seriously looking for love. And so many people are registered on dating websites and apps for so long and they've not found any match. Do you get? And many of them do not know how to write their dating profiles. Like if you go on dating sites or apps, you will see a whole lot of very bad written dating profiles, right? Just like CV, we also need good dating profiles to also get a match. So this is another simple skill that you can learn. And yes, if you go on Google, you can actually get platforms that offer this for free or for little amount. So number three on my list is sales skills. See, I've been talking about these sales skills. We know how to sell very well, or you're willing to learn how to sell, you take it very seriously, you will have opportunities to work in different industries. Do you get? So if you're looking for that skill that you can learn and make money, consider learning a sales skill. So number four on my list is content writing. If you're someone that loves writing, you're someone that wants to do something quietly, you know why I'm saying this, because people that are into content writing, they know they make noise, and these people make money too. Each industry have their own style of content writing. When you talk about content writing, it's not about, you know, writing and putting on social media and all of that. There are people that are into this content writing that are niche down to certain industries or certain sectors. We have the medical sector, you have the financial sector, we have the educational sector. That is how it goes on and on. Do you understand? So content writing is very broad and it's a skill that will make you money as long as you know what you're doing. So if you're looking for that simple skill that will make you money, that will not require so much techie problem, consider learning a content writing skill. Last of my list is social media management. So social media management is you helping brands or business owners or even busy individuals to manage their social media pages. So whether it's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and others, social media management look like something that is saturated, but it still gives people a lot of money. So if you're looking for that simple skill that you can learn and make money from without too much tech headaches, then consider learning social media management skills. Do you get? So guys, are the 5 skills that you can learn and start making money as soon as possible. So if you have any question on this, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.